Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will learn different terms used in organic chemistry, that is primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary and N, that is normal, iso and neo. So first we will write here primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary, and write primary for 1 carbon, secondary for 2 carbon, tertiary for 3 carbon and quaternary for 4 carbon. Now we will take the example to understand these terms primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. First we have a structure, that is we have a structure here. You can see that this is a butane which contains 4 carbon atom, and here this carbon is attached directly to the 1 carbon atom. So this carbon is the primary carbon atom. Similarly, the second carbon atom which is directly attached to 2 carbon atom, that is this carbon atom is directly attached to 2 carbon atom. So this carbon is the secondary carbon. Similarly, this carbon is also directly attached to 2 carbon atom, that is this carbon and this carbon is called secondary carbon. And similarly, this carbon which is directly attached to 1 carbon atom, this is also the primary carbon atom. Now we take another example for understanding the tertiary and quaternary. We have an example. In this carbon, you can see that this is the primary carbon which is attached directly to 1 carbon, and this carbon is directly attached to the 4 other carbon atom, that is this carbon is directly attached to 4 other carbon atom, that is 1 2 3 4. So this carbon is called quaternary carbon atom. And here you can see that this carbon is attached to 2 other carbon atom, that is this is the secondary carbon atom. Now when the carbon atom is directly attached to 4 other carbon atom, this is called quaternary, and when the carbon atom is directly attached to 2 other carbon atoms, this is the secondary. Now we take the example of tertiary. Here you can see that this is the primary carbon atom, and this carbon atom which is directly attached to 3 other carbon atoms, that is this carbon which is directly to attach 3 other carbon atoms, that is 1 carbon, second carbon and third carbon, and this carbon is called tertiary carbon atom. Also this carbon is directly to 2 carbon atom, this is the secondary, and this carbon is directly attached to the 1 carbon atom, so this is the primary. So this is the primary, this is the secondary with respect to these 2 carbon atom, and this carbon is the tertiary with respect to these 3 carbon atom which is directly attached to this, and this carbon is called the quaternary carbon atom, which is directly attached to 4 other carbon atoms, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will understand the term N-iso and neo, that is N-iso. Now we understand the term N-iso and neo, that is, we take the example, if we have a propane and it is in straight chain, so this is called N-propane. N stand for normal, or if any structure is in straight form, this is called, we write them for N, that is N propane. And if we subtract one hydrogen, it form propyl, that's by the subtraction of one hydrogen it change into propyl, CH and CH3. And at the vacant side, if we attach any group, if we attach a alcohol group, and here we can see this carbon is directly attached to 2 carbon atom, so this is the secondary carbon. And if the functional group, that is the alcohol, this is called iso, that is 3 carbon propyl and alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. And neo, if we have a structure that is CH3 C CH3 CH3, that is the and CH3, this is the carbon. And here we can see that 4 carbon atoms are attached to this, so this is the quaternary carbon atom. And if we remove one hydrogen from this, it change into, if we remove one hydrogen, it change into and this is the vacant side. And if we attach on this side OH group, this is called the neopentane. When the quaternary carbon atom is present, and in the quaternary carbon atom, if we remove one hydrogen and by adding one functional group by the replacement of one hydrogen, then this alcohol or this functional group make them new. So this is the neopentyl alcohol, that is 5 carbon atom, neopentyl alcohol. That's for all today, the learner, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.